Not long after the Beatles parted ways, John Lennon unveiled one of the most provocative songs of his career. The track, bluntly titled "Woman is the Nigger of the World," was bound to ignite controversy. Lennon claimed he intended to highlight the parallels between racism and sexism, yet the abrasive title distracted many listeners from the message he hoped to convey. The album that featured the track, Sometime in New York City, performed poorly compared to his other releases. Lennon felt let down by the reaction, but continued to defend his choice. He reflected that the backlash was amplified by bans and accusations of the song being offensive, which he firmly denied. To him, the criticism completely missed the point, especially since, in his view, those close to him within the Black community understood the context. He admitted the record was overtly political, exactly as he intended, and insisted he wouldn't have shelved songs simply because they carried a political charge. He contrasted it with the enormous success of Imogene, noting that the difference in public reception didn't make him value the controversial track any less. In his eyes, the song's sound and spirit still held personal meaning, even if it failed to resonate widely. Though this particular experiment in protest music fell flat, Lennon went on to craft other works that left a deeper cultural mark. Imagine endures as his most defining anthem, while songs like Gimme Some Truth, Power to the People, and The Luck of the Irish achieved stronger recognition than the troubled Sometime in New York City. Among the four Beatles, Lennon was the boldest in pushing political boundaries. Sometimes it worked brilliantly, other times it backfired spectacularly. Yet even with missteps, his legacy remained that of an artist unafraid to speak out.